Welcome to Integration Designer 11.13. This exciting release introduces some great new features and enhancements, along with the usual bug fixes. This release includes a redesigned driver store with official, community, and user libraries, offline driver downloads, improved shared layer options, scheduled automatic processor reboots, and the introduction of Elegance, a new customizable template system with dynamic theme switching and expanded asset libraries. In this video, we'll get you connected to Integration Designer 11.13. The driver store, both inside the software and on the RTI website, has been completely revamped and reorganized. This redesign also lays the groundwork for expanded third-party driver inclusion. When you open the driver store, you'll now see 3 distinct libraries, each representing a different group of drivers. Selecting the official library gives you access to all certified RTI drivers, as well as drivers from RTI-approved third-party partners. If a third-party driver requires a license, a purchase license link will appear in the information panel on the right. That same link is also available in the driver configuration section once the driver has been added. These links take you directly to the manufacturer's site where licenses can be purchased. In some cases, login credentials are required. In others, licensing may be validated through the cloud. If the license requires a serial number, it could be entered directly in the driver properties. RTI supports RTI authorized drivers, while third-party developers provide support for their own drivers. Selecting the community library displays drivers uploaded by third-party developers. These drivers are submitted through a special process that RTI has shared with those developers. If you're interested in hosting your own drivers in the community library, please reach out to RTI for more information. The user library contains drivers stored locally on your computer. The location of this folder can be set in the Options tab under Set Directories. These drivers might include third-party drivers, company-specific drivers, or drivers that haven't yet been added to the official or community libraries. Together, these libraries provide a true one-stop shop, eliminating the need to track drivers across multiple locations. Let's take a quick look at the driver store on the RTI website. On the left side, under driver type, you can filter between official and community drivers. I'll select community and choose one of the available drivers. Here you'll see details such as the author, version number, and last update date. Drivers can be downloaded directly, and if a license is required, it can be purchased through the third-party developer. We've also introduced a rating system for both official and community drivers. Ratings are login-based, so please be fair and thoughtful when rating a driver. If you encounter issues, always work through RTI support or the third-party developers' support channels first. Ratings should reflect real-world use after spending a reasonable amount of time with the driver. Are you programming in a business or residence without network access? Or maybe you're working on a plane with limited or no connectivity. For those scenarios, we've added a way to download the entire driver store for offline use. Hold Ctrl-Shift, then select the Help tab and choose Check for Updates. A warning message will appear letting you know that downloading all online drivers will take time and consume disk space. Select Yes to proceed or No to cancel. Once downloaded, all drivers will be available locally without requiring an internet connection. Working with shared layers just got much easier. In this example, I have a bar and a dining area, each with its own IST10. Previously, if you created a shared layer on one controller, such as this weather pop-up, all similar controllers will automatically have access to that layer. Any change that was made to that layer on a controller would affect the other controllers that have that layer. The only workaround was creating additional shared layers on a controller-by-controller basis, which wasn't really ideal. Now you can disconnect shared layers to make them exclusive to a specific controller. To do this, select the controller in the workspace. Make sure all shared layers that need to remain independent have already been added. From the top toolbar, select Device, then Disconnect Shared Layers. This action duplicates each shared layer and appends a number to the layer name, such as number 1. Disconnecting additional controllers continues to increment the number. These duplicated layers can now be managed independently, allowing for different layouts, positions, and appearances across all controllers. AV Pro listens closely to dealer feedback, and this next feature has been a popular request. You can now schedule automatic processor reboots on a daily or weekly basis directly within Integration Designer without the need for an external power management device. To access this feature, select the processor in the workspace, then open the Events section in the processor configuration. At the bottom of the Events panel, enable the Reboot Schedule option, choose a daily or weekly frequency, then select the desired day and time using the 24-hour clock. The processor will now reboot automatically at the scheduled time. Integration Designer also introduces Elegance, a new template and asset collection included in the 11.13 release. When adding a controller, select Elegance from the Page Template drop-down menu. Elegance offers both a list menu and a button menu with options for with gradient or no gradient. The gradient version introduces a new visual style featuring a frame shared layer that acts as an overlay. This overlay enhances button visibility on lighter backgrounds while creating a window effect that allows the background to show through. The non-gradient version removes the overlay and instead uses a clean border with top and bottom toolbars. Room, Source, and Power menus are built as pop-up layers. When using a button menu, activities can be customized directly. When using a list menu, these options are configured within System Manager. Toolbar buttons trigger pop-up menus with pre-built viewports that can be customized per project. One of Elegance's standout features is dynamic theme switching. To apply a theme, select the controller. In the controller configuration panel, choose Apply Theme. Available themes appear in a drop-down menu, and changes take effect immediately upon selection. Let's view some different themes by selecting them in the theme window. For a custom look, select Custom. The color palette allows direct color selection, hexadecimal input, eyedropper sampling, and a full control over hue, saturation, luminance, and RGB values. A slider is also available for fine adjustments. New template libraries have also been added to the Bitmap Library Manager for Elegance. The Elegance Elements library includes graphics with advanced functionality, such as dual state and resizable buttons, along with a newly designed D-pad. A dedicated gauge library introduces resizable gauges with multiple color options. To complement this, a slider library provides sliders in various sizes and colors, supporting both horizontal and vertical resizing. Toggle graphics have also been added and are ideal for lighting and power control applications. While toggles are not resizable, they're available in multiple sizes to match different color resolutions. Additional assets from Coral and other templates remain available for further customization. Be sure to download the Integration Designer 11.13 update available on the RTI dealer site. We hope you enjoy the new features and enhancements, and thanks for watching.